Hello, I think you would like to know how to delete completely Affinity Designer 2 from your PC. And today I'll help you with it. First of all, you need to close Affinity Designer 2. Just close it. No. After that, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner. And here, go to Settings. Okay. Now on the left side, find Apps and click on it. And go to Installed Apps at the very top. And here you can find the list with all your installed applications on your PC, of course. So here you can use the search box at the very top and type here Affinity Designer 2. Here it is. There are a lot of information about this app, and to uninstall this application you need to click on three dots and select uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. And of course, just click on uninstall. I think this video was really helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to PC channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.